Hi, happy Tuesday, guys. Hope you're all having a lovely day. It's the first of the month. Bali, I would love to visit Bali. Yes, it's half price. I post 3 to 4 times a day. I do polls and stuff to keep it all interactive. I go live twice a month to play games. I also send out a rebuild treat that's a full-length video once a month for everyone to say thank you for your love and support. I have girl content too. So I'm an adult actress. I'm good, thank you. How are you guys? I'm from Nepal. Sending tons of love to you guys wherever you are in the world today. Thank you so much for your sweet compliments. I don't actually have Facebook. I just have Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm from England. How big is too big? Anything over 8.5, I think. Oh yes, I have Snapchat too, but unfortunately I have got too many friends on there and it won't let me accept any more people, so that's kind of sad. So I have created a new one, which I'm thinking about charging for. How small is too small? Now you're asking. I can answer that over on my secret site, so head over there and I'm there to answer your messages all the time. Aww. Have a nice day, Raj. Size doesn't matter, I don't think. It's the motion in the ocean, so if you guys have any topics you'd like to talk about or anything like that, feel free. So I'm here just to chat. What's my favourite size? I like them a little bit bigger. Lovely heart-shaped pendant, thank you. My favourite movie. I'm really into all the Marvels at the minute. I've seen the new Spider-Man. That's what inspired my TikTok. Yeah, I have lots of favourite things. Thank you for sharing my live video. I really appreciate that. I have nice cups. Thank you. My ideal man. Someone that's funny, smart, that looks after themselves, can make me laugh, and definitely likes to go out and eat lots of nice food. I love dancing too, but I don't think I'm any good. Thank you so much for all of your likes, guys. I really appreciate them. My favourite colour is green, but I also really love pink. The reason for green is because it's the colour of my birthstone. I might accept some people to talk to on here later on. I'm from England. I'm an adult entertainer, adult content creator. If you would like to see some of the spicy content I create, then head over to Instagram. Lily_Lotus will take you there. Don't forget to read my bio and click the link lilylucas.com. I have a half price sale today, so you'll be in for a real treat. I'm from England. I do put free clips on my profile as well, and I send out a free full length to everyone that resubscribes every month. I love going on trips and adventures. My last one was to Croatia for a wedding, but yeah. Oh, I've never been waxed. That's a scary thought, to be honest. If you do have it done, let me know how it goes because that's pretty crazy. I've been having a little bit of laser hair removal, so it's less painful than waxing. Oh, you've been waxed. Oh, I can imagine it's just pure pain. I'm from England. My hobbies are getting out into nature, yoga, riding my bike, drawing and painting. I'm a student, art student, so yeah, I have lots of hobbies, lots of things I love to do. Thank you so much for the shares on my profile. I really appreciate that, so thank you. I'm good, thank you. How are you guys? Happy Tuesday. Thank you so much for your sweet compliments. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll answer them as best I can on here. I'm around 5'2". Your dress is like a wedding leaf. What? Purpose of life is to love and experience as much as you can while you are here. Definitely. So the time here in the UK is 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. I'm 21.